Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good. Today we will learn about that how to study a map. Take out your books, we will read page number 4. Directions. When we look at a map, we use the cardinal directions north, south, east and west. We also use the intercardinal directions northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Intercardinal directions are also called intermediate directions. These are the cardinal directions north, south, east, west. These are the intercardinal directions northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. Grids. All the lines of longitude and latitude form a grid as shown on a map. These lines are grids. This is longitude and this is latitude. They are imaginary lines. Imaginary means not real. So you cannot actually see them on the Earth's surface. To find a place on a map, we find its grid reference. Reference means the use of a source of information. For example, the Karachi is located at almost 25° north and 67° east. This means it is a 25° north of the equator and 67° east of the prime meridian. Keys. Usually each map also has a key. It tells us what the symbols and colors used on the map mean. Colors, symbols and patterns help us to find things more easily on a map. We also need to know how big the area actually is. This is shown by a scale. This is the key of a map. Here the star is used to show the capital city. हम जब भी इस मैप में स्टार को देखेंगे, स्टार के सिंबल को देखेंगे, हमें पता लग जाएगा कि यहाँ पे कैपिटल सिटी है. Our capital city is Islamabad. Important points. We use cardinal directions for a map. North, south, east, west. We also use intercardinal directions. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. All the lines of longitude and latitude form a grid. They are imaginary lines. To find a place on a map, we find its grid reference. The key on a map tells us what the symbols and colors used on the map mean. Color, symbols and patterns help us to find things more easily on a map. A scale is used to show that how big an area is on a map. Words meanings. Reference. Reference means the use of a source of information. Symbol. It means a mark. Pattern. It means a repeated decorative design. This is your first activity. Fill in the blanks. All the lines of longitude and latitude form a dash, form a grid. To find a place on a map, we find its dash. We find its grid reference. Dash, dash and dash help us to find things more easily on a map. Symbols, colors and patterns help us to find things more easily on a map. To find that how big the area is of Earth, we use dash on the map. We use a scale on a map. This is your home activity. How do we show directions on a map? How can we find a place on a map? What is the importance of keys in a map? Copy these questions in your notebook and answer them. Thank you, students. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.